Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, apparently vloggers these days use the front-facing camera and they have it on wide angle rather than using the selfie camera because the selfie camera can be a bit grainy and it's not such high quality. Anyway, I'm in my studio and that's a really good idea because there's not much light coming in. Although the sun is out, it's shining. It is actually a beautiful day after the months of rain we seem to have had. And it just suddenly feels a bit like spring. It's a bit too early to say that though. Yeah, I'm in my studio. I've been bringing things in. I've got a carpet and no electricity except for a cable reel attached to the heater, which I probably don't really need. It feels quite comfortable anyway. I've just put a category 6 Ethernet cable out and I'll have to sort of connect that up at some point. And I need to get on to my electrician and now I'm ready to have the electricity put in. And I don't know what to do with myself because this is quite a bit bigger space and a different arrangement of windows and light and things like that. So I've just set something up and my plan is just to move in and get on with things. And I think some kind of plan of where everything goes will come to me in time. So I'm thinking over here is my main sort of work area, but what I want to do is to, if I can, kind of leave this corner over here as I'm thinking as a performing area. So that'll be like for reading stories, but not just a performing area, but sort of a making area as well, so that I can put up a temporary table or something like that. If I've got a project on, then that's my area over there. At the moment, you might be able to see there are just some slabs laid across the grass. And I'm going to have to fix some proper steps and things like that. But actually I'm going to do such a lot of landscaping in the garden. There's going to be a terrace and hopefully an extension as well. We need a downstairs and hopefully a downstairs extension bathroom. Americans would call it a bathroom, so we'll have a shower and things in there as well. Thinking ahead, we might need downstairs bathing facilities one day. Best to get on and do it now. And then the terrace will sort of go up to that new extension wall. And everything, I don't know if I said about this house when we moved in. We moved in the end of November and this house has been, well, it was owned by the church for 20 years, the Methodist church. So, and it was rented out and one thing and another. It's not been loved. It's not really been looked after. The steps outside the kitchen, they're all going wonky. There's a lot of stuff needs doing anyway, but we're just getting on with it. But now I'm in, I can start doing things, even with just an extension cable. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Make sure you're subscribed to the ShooRaynerDrawing channel, because who knows what's coming up. In the meantime, keep drawing, doing whatever it is you do, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.